घर में घुसते थे।
और पापा पहले आ रहे हैं, हम बाद में आ रहे हैं।
हिम्मत नहीं होती थी।
Here, I hope you all can hear me. Thank you so much. I'll just quickly give a brief about you all, and then the agenda is to speak and understand who all we are. I think we all have been meeting each other on one or the another event, but we do not know what we do in depth. So the agenda here is to understand that. I would request for two things. Whosoever has got the visiting cards, I requested everybody to have the visiting cards. You can please place it on the table and can pass it on to everybody the moment I name you and I tell you about you. Well done. जिनके रह गए हैं वो अपना नंबर बोल के सबको अपना नंबर नोट कराएंगे. So I'll start with Ira because we are missing one to Jayati today. She fell sick, so we had to skip her. So Ira, the jewelry that we see is from Ira. That's her quick liner. Ira is a self-love mentor and an author for her book Self-Love: The Power Within You. And not to forget, she is known for her jewelry, which is personalized, curated, keeping your wellness in mind. So, अब मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बताऊंगी. आयरा की स्पेशलिटी है लोगों को बदलती है, और लोगों को बदलना सिर्फ उनका एक्सटेंडेड आवरण बदलना ही नहीं होता. Probably she works on your inner soul too. Ira, over to you.
Thank you so much. So I'm like everybody can see me, so it's better together. So I'm Ira, and as she introduced, I make specialized jewelry which can enhance your aura, your personality, and your inner life. So from the ancient time, we had the property that what kind of jewelry that you have to wear. Starting from the time that particular, the patterns which create a certain quantum energy field, which creates certain vibration to you. So if you wear that right kind of pattern or the jewelry, your aura enhance. And specifically, हमारे टाइम में कहते थे ना यंत्र होते थे. सो आई मेक ज्वेलरी आउट ऑफ द यंत्र, बट यंत्र तब तक एक्टिवेट नहीं होते जब तक मंत्र के साथ एनहांस ना. सो वी हैव द एंटायर प्रोसेस ऑफ रिचुअल्स वैदिक सिस्टम वेयर वी एक्टिवेट द यंत्र विद द मंत्र सो दैट इट कैन क्रिएट द सिस्टम ऑफ द तंत्र विच इज अ सिस्टम जो आपकी बॉडी होगी. So when you wear that jewel on your body vibrates on a different level. And so far we started last year, and so far we have exhibited in 7 countries and different states in India also. And moreover, we are getting amazing response for people who are having who are having fear, so they are able to overcome their fear, who are having financial constraint, so able to overcome their financial constraint also, and getting more deals also. And so lot many testimonials we have so far that every piece is designed in a specific way that can enhance your personality in the way that you want. So we have a wide variety of range that can enhance you, and we make jewelry in brass with gold plating, silver with gold plating, and on orders on gold and diamonds also. So I will welcome you all to check out the products, and if you have any requirement or want to know something specific that how you can enhance in a particular way of life, we have a chakra consultation also, that we scan your chakras, your energy aura, and according to that we recommend you also that which product is something that you really need right now. Thank you everyone.
Any question? So now I have Aditya by my side. Aditya is a Bollywood and Hollywood actor who has done multiple advertisement serials and movies, and is a very proud owner for a production house known as Aditya Media and Entertainment. Over to you.
Hi guys, this is Aditya Navar और my own film production house Aditya Media and Entertainment, और एक second branch is just new like before 2 years, Save Production House चेन्नई में, एंड अभी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स मेरे अभी आए हैं और कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी आने वाले हैं, और वर्क मेरा एज अ एक्टर है, और मैं दिल्ली, कलकत्ता, बैंगलोर, आसाम, गुवाहाटी का टॉप मॉडल रह चुका हूँ, जर्नल BMW ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रह चुका हूँ, और बहुत सारे एड्स, फिल्म वगैरह सब वर्क किए हैं सारी चीज़। And nice to meet you all.
Thank you. Anything else that you want to add?
Ad?
या कुछ और आप
फर्स्ट
इसमें
एड
करना
ओला
चाहें?
ऐड किया था, शुगर फ्री ऐड किया था, और माइक्रोमैक्स फ़ोन ऐड किया था, तमिल के बहुत सारे ऐड किए हैं, और ये मतलब अभी जहन में नहीं आ रहा, मतलब बहुत सारे ऐड किए हैं, लाइक वाटर्स की बिस्लरी का भी ऐड किया है, बहुत सारे।
Thank you. So now we have Mr. Parag Pahwa. Mr. Pahwa is a versatile individual fueled by curiosity and creativity within diverse array of interests spanning technology, science and artificial intelligence. So Parag, over to you.
So I'm into manufacturing of LED TVs and set-top box and fans and some other stuff, home appliances, all of them, and we are looking to expand to international and domestic market both. Just that.
Wow, that was quick.
I'll be placing my visiting cards on every table.
No, I think you can just pass on to the next person sitting,
I've
and the
already shared
person
with
can
them.
do that. Devika Dhaiya. So Ms. Dhaiya, founder Lexus 360 startup. I think it is Kevika's first networking meet. Yes. Okay, as I said earlier also, she is advocate by profession and practicing for judiciary. Over to you, Rani.
Ladies and gentlemen, all of you sitting here, it's a pleasure. I am starstruck here. So, I was an engineer before, so I've done masters in engineering robotics, and I was serving my father in his own company. So we deal with CNC and lathe machines and automation sector, manufacturing, and then I had this liking for law. I always wanted to study it, so I went for law. And when I was there, because I'm a first generation lawyer, I saw a lot of gaps between the theory and the industry. So when I did see that, I did my LLB from Delhi University, Faculty of Law. And as a practicing lawyer, after that, for 3 years, I saw a lot of challenges for a first generation lawyer. And generally, they, no matter how talented they are, they don't get the chance. So then I came up with an app for the first generation lawyer, giving them an extra chance to earn. So our pattern is almost similar like AstroTalk. So we are giving them another platform so they can earn there, and we are providing tools and live mentorship to law students. For the service segment, we are also providing crime scan and AI tools for people who are seeking second consultation or who want to go for, get their documents done. It can be anything, a rent agreement or arbitration agreement, anything. You can get that at your doorstep in 3 hours. That's it, and you can get your time verification done. You're hiring a maid, a nanny for your child, a driver. You can just get the verification done through the app. It's launching in May, and I hope it does well.
Thank you. Okay, so now next we have Miss Divya Gupta. She is an holistic and occult expert. So what I know about her is She is a quantum physics expert too. So here I would want to understand more on the quantum physics side from.
Hi, my name is Dia. It's written Divya, but spoken Dia, of course, because of numerological reasons. So, I am a born aura reader. Aura reading is something that comes naturally to me, and aura healing is also something that comes naturally to me. I don't know how, this just came around as a gift. But I remember when I was 9 years old, I could, sense how a person is feeling, what the coming future would hold for a person, and whatever I would speak would turn into reality, which kind of perplexed me for some time. But then as I grew up, I understood that this is a virtue that I am born with. Then of course college, and then I pursued interior designing. I am an interior designer by profession. And after getting married, of course, I pursued interiors for 15 years. And something made me shift my approach from doing interiors. It was actually when I started practicing Buddhism, I realized that what I was really running behind was not virtual happiness, it was absolute happiness. And the search for absolute happiness took me into studying spirituality. And I did Reiki. After doing Reiki, I started doing aura readings and aura cleansing. But then I understood that there is more to aura, there is more to spirituality than just Reiki and aura reading and aura cleansing. And I searched around to bring in balance into the very imperfectly perfect life that I was having. So I started quantum healing. I dabbled into shamanism. I dabbled into Tantra. There are so many things that I've done actually. Bhairav Tantra, then there was Wicca, then there was of course shamanism, then a lot of things, There is a lot of there is a lot that I have studied and also applied in my life. Sabka saar basically यही है that the more you get inside you, आप अपने आप को जितना बंधन से फ्री करते जाते हैं, उतना ही आपको जिंदगी देती जाती है, So if you start living a life of detached attachment, and if you completely surrender to what there is and what there is not, and feel happy wherever you are, and have a lot of gratitude in your life, you just get directly attached to the source, and you just keep on accumulating benefits. So apart from this, we've also started now, there's a parallel business that I've started. I've gone into partnership with a friend, and we've opened something called a spa room. It's a blend of aesthetic place with a spa and a parlor. So this is something that we want to expand into little places where we can get into small communities and open around 300 square foot area of services where you can just walk in and get a hydrofacial done, you can get a half facial done, you can get your nails done, you can get your hair done, small community places. So this is something that I'm dabbling into also. But yeah, spirituality remains the prime focus, and quantum physics is something that is very deep. Quantum healing is something that is very deep. Like they say that 20 years back we used to talk about Reiki. Okay, Reiki is the methodology of healing. Well, everybody knows, everybody who is into spirituality understands that the way the planet is vibrating has shifted. we moved from the third dimension into the fifth dimension. And Reiki remains healing of the third dimension. No longer is it works for people, but it's like 20 years back we had a phone like this. Now we have this. Yeah. So quantum healing is this, and Reiki remains the dial-up phone still. Yeah. So quantum healing is a modality of healing which gives you results instantaneously. You talk about inner child healing. You talk about karmic healing. You talk about ancestral healing. Ancestral healing is something that I really absolutely believe and vouch in. You know, the more alms we keep on giving to our ancestors, because we believe that our children are actually our ancestors. When we are giving alms to our ancestors, when we are asking for forgiveness and telling them your trauma stops here, and from here on we create our own life, we start reaping the benefits of our own karma. You know, so yeah, even in ancestral healing, what is that? Our twin flame healing. So quantum healing is something that gives you benefits like this: 3 sittings and you are done.
Oh, that would become accurate.
Oh yeah. And also when you talk about आजकल people are really getting into hypnotherapy, going back into past lives and all that. Also when you go to past lives through the methodology of quantum healing, you get more benefits.
PLR होता है कुछ?
बिल्कुल होता है. और आज we are talking about Akashic records आजकल.
Right. We spoke on the National Summit about that.
Yeah, so I'm also an Akashic record expert. I do soul profiling also. Akashic records and soul profiling together. So through the methodology of quantum healing, you can get results from your Akashic records also, and you can understand your soul profiling also, like that.
वैसे किसको पता है आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड होता क्या है? थोड़ा सा.
It's a vast subject, but to tell you a little bit, we all understand that we are fragments of the universe. We come from source. When the universe was created, the universe had certain frequencies, and the universe, in lame terms, if you understand the Shiva philosophy, you understand that Shiva experiences himself as us, not through us. The universe wanted to experience itself, so it created souls. It created the stone. Every soul that has reincarnated on this planet has a story. We became something, we became something, we became something. वो कहते हैं ना 64 करोड़ यूनियों के बाद हम ह्यूमन बने. तो the whole story of our origin lies within our soul, and the story of our origin is the story of Akashic records. So we understand, like supposing if you have a little, let's say, आपको कोई relationship करना है या financial करना है, और you're doing everything by the book, you're doing everything right. What is it that is holding you back? We take you back through the way of the quantum to see where is this coming from. Is it the ancestral problem? Is it a past life karma? Is it a block that you carry right now? What is it? It's not necessarily कि पुराने कर्मों के पाप ही होते हैं. It's the conditioning that we are born with also. We may feel from the outside that we are very perfect, but अंदर से insecurity हो सकती है, right? तो कहाँ है, किस चीज़ से emerge कर रही है? All that comes into your soul profiling, and then we treat you accordingly, which that is basically Akashic records and soul profiling. So it's a vast topic. One has to sit.
So we have with us the person we were waiting for, Dr. Anirudh Lal ji. Mr. Lal is a well-known, extremely humble and down-to-earth human who is acting as Journal Secretary and Chairman IT Cell and Social Media for Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee.
नेहा जी हमारी बहुत पुरानी फ्रेंड हैं. तो जब इस मीट के बारे में नेहा ने मुझे कहा, मैंने यही कहा कि मैंने कहा नेहा ये तो बिल्कुल पहली सुटेबल है या नहीं है, क्योंकि आपका बिजनेस मीट है। एंड लेकिन नेहा ने कहा कि नहीं, बिजनेस और पॉलिटिशियन और गवर्नमेंट ये सब इंटर रिलेटेड है, तो आप भी ज़रूर आइए। तो फिर मैंने सोचा आते हुए आज कि भाई हम क्या देते हैं, आप लोग तो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, कुछ बनाते हैं, इन्वेंट करते हैं। तो मुझे ख्याल आया कि हम तो सपने बेचते हैं, पॉलिटिशियंस सरकार बनाने के लिए। तो वही, तो ज़्यादा तो कुछ मैं इस मीट में क्या कहूँ, इस मीट में यही कह सकता हूँ कि भाई हम इस मीट में जितने भी लोग आएंगे उनके आइडियाज़ सुनकर क्या फ्यूचर में गवर्नमेंट्स कर सकती हैं, पार्टीज कर सकती हैं बिजनेस के बेटरमेंट के लिए, कैसे वो आम लोगों के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सकती हैं। क्योंकि आमतौर पे जो गवर्नमेंट और जब बिजनेस का जो नेक्सस सामने आता है, वो आमतौर पे अच्छा नहीं माना जाता, उसको एंटी पीपल, एंटी कॉमन मैन नेक्सस के रूप में लिया जाता है। वो प्रॉफिट के ऊपर बेस होता है कि जब इनका नेक्सस हो जाएगा तो जो कॉमन मैन है उसकी जेब से ही पैसा निकाला जाएगा। और जैसे आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा चर्चाएं हैं, मैं डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहता, कल हो जाएगा। तो बेहतर तो यही होगा कि हम जब भी कोई प्रोडक्ट लाएं, कुछ भी सोचें, तो बेहतर होगा कि उसमें प्रॉफिट, वैसे तो बिजनेस मीन्स प्रॉफिट है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट हो इंडिविजुअल को, लेकिन हम सोसाइटी के प्रॉफिट के बारे में भी सोचें कि आम आदमी को क्या प्रॉफिट होगा। मिस्टर गांधी, महात्मा गांधी जी ने कहा था कि जब भी कंट्री कोई पॉलिसी बनाए तो वो ये ध्यान रखे, वो जो भी पॉलिसी बनाए उसका इफेक्ट जो है सबसे कमज़ोर आदमी के ऊपर कैसे पड़ेगा, क्या उससे उसको फ़ायदा पहुंचेगा या नुकसान पहुंचेगा। खैर मैं उस लेवल तक तो नहीं इस बात को लेकर जाना चाहता, लेकिन फिर भी सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा कि भाई हम लोग जो बिजनेस कम्युनिटी है वो इस बात का ध्यान रखे कि थोड़ी सी वो फेयर रहे। हम जैसे मैंने कहा कि सपने बेचते हैं, तो सपने बेचते हुए ऐसे नारे दे देते हैं जो कि शायद पूरे नहीं होते हैं, और बाद में पब्लिक जो है वो करती है कि भाई धोखा हुआ है। प्रोडक्ट हम बनाएं, उसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट करें, तो उसमें ये ध्यान रहे कि भाई बाद में किसी को ये ना लगे कि भाई हमें चीट किया गया है, हमें वो प्रोडक्ट जो है उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ा चढ़ा कर दी गई है, या जो कहा गया है एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू, पॉलिटिशियंस नारों के थ्रू बेचते हैं चीज़ें, सपने जनता के बेटरमेंट के लिए, और बिजनेसमैन एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू बेचते हैं। तो मेरी तो सिर्फ यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि भाई हम सिर्फ उतना ही प्रॉफिट लें जितना कि किसी को ये ना लगे कि वो चीट हो गया। ज़्यादा कुछ कहना मुनासिब नहीं है, बस इतना ही मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ। बाकी मैंने बुलाया, आप सब लोगों ने मेरे साथ बैठकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आप सभी लोगों के लिए बहुत बहुत विशेष नेहा के लिए, नेहा बड़ी एंटरप्रेन्योर है, बड़ा बहुत ही उनके नए नए आइडियाज़ होते हैं, ये मुझे शेयर करती रहती हैं। नेहा के लिए बहुत विशेष हैं फ्यूचर के लिए, उनके और भी बहुत प्लान्स हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बताया। तो वाकई मैं चाहूँगा कि इनको बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेस मिले, आप सभी लोगों को सक्सेस मिले। और मैं समझता हूँ कि जब बिजनेस ग्रो करता है, अभी नेशन ग्रो करता है, अभी आम आदमी ग्रो करेगा, अभी उसका फ़ायदा नीचे तक पहुँचे। इसीलिए शायद वेलफेयर स्टेट कहलाती है हमारी और है। बिजनेस ग्रो करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, प्रॉस्पेरिटी उसी से आएगी, नीचे तक तभी पहुँचेगी। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. Please pardon me in case I am not doing the justice to whatever I say, but Mr. Bharti, Director Broadcasting, Marwa Studios, and have created programs extensively for films, televisions and radio, produced and directed more than 150 documentaries and broadcast presentation. Rest, over to you, sir.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जैसा कि नेहा जी ने अभी बताया, मुझे लगता है कि जो मेन जो था वो तो कह ही दिया आपने। तो अभी मार्वा स्टूडियो में डायरेक्टर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग के पद पर मैं कार्य कर रहा हूँ, और वहाँ पे एक रेडियो स्टेशन है 107.4, तो उसका डायरेक्टर हूँ। एक ऑनलाइन टीवी है, उसका डायरेक्टर हूँ। तो सबसे पहले तो मैं नेहा जी से कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप लोगों से मिल करके। बड़े अच्छे गुणी विद्वान लोग और बिजनेस और यंग डायनामिक एक्टर, तो सभी लोग यहाँ पर हैं। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक एक करके नेहा जी इनको रेडियो स्टेशन के लिए हम कभी आमंत्रित करेंगे।
देख लो, सबके सामने कमेंट कर रहे हो, मैं तो सबको लाइन अप कर दूंगी।
मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप बिल्कुल आप कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही हैं। तो एक रेडियो प्रोग्राम के लिए जब मैं सुन रहा था, मैम को सुन रहा था मैं, कि इनका जो इन्होंने कहा यंत्र, मंत्र और तंत्र, तो मुझे आज समझ आया वो। तो बड़ा अच्छा आपने खूबसूरती से बताया। तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो हीलर्स के लिए प्रोग्राम हैं। तो मैम ने भी जैसे आकाशिक फीलिंग के बारे में मैंने आज जाना, तो अच्छा है। जैसे कि सबने अभी कहा, अनुव्रत लाल जी ने, कि समाज को हम कुछ दे पाएँ। तो कोशिश ये है कि जब हम रेडियो और टेलीविज़न के माध्यम से कुछ हम कहना चाहते हैं, अपनी बात कहना चाहते हैं, तो वो बहुत बड़े ग्रुप तक पहुंचती है। और डिजिटली भी हम ऑनलाइन पूरे वर्ल्ड वाइड कनेक्टेड हैं। रेडियो नोएडा 107.4 इट्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ INB यूनिवर्सिटीज रेडियो स्टेशन। तो ये तो एक पक्ष है कि जो मैं जो मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, जो मैं करता रहता हूँ, उसमें आप सब आमंत्रित हैं। नेहा जी जब भी बताएंगे, जिस भी तरह से कोऑर्डिनेट करेंगे, तो आई एम देयर, तो मैं लाइन अप करूँगा उसको। दूसरा ये है कि जैसे कि आपने बताया कि कॉर्पोरेट फिल्म्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स, तो वो मेरी कंपनी है भारती फिल्म्स, तो उसके अंतर्गत हम अभी भी फिल्में जो है लगातार कर रहे हैं। तो अभी देहरादून का जो फॉरेस्ट रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है FRI, उसकी अभी भी जस्ट फिनिश्ड वन फिल्म, कॉर्पोरेट फिल्म। तो इस तरह से हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं उसके अंतर्गत भी। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई हैव माई ओन पब्लिकेशन हाउस कॉल्ड राही पब्लिकेशन, जिसमें हम भी पब्लिश फिक्शन एंड नॉन फिक्शन बुक्स। तो वो भी काफ़ी कुछ मतलब अच्छा, उसमें भी काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्स है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हम जुड़े हुए हैं। वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो बिजनेस कम्युनिटी है, तो अभी समय है कि आप अपनी कम्युनिटी को डेवलप करें। सो व्हेन आई मेट डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा इन 2015, so I gave an idea कि why don't we start a global literary festival, because he had the Global Film Festival, Global Festival of Journalism. So I was from the literary background, so I thought let me just throw that idea. तो उनको अगर अच्छा लगता है तो then we started. So now I'm happy to tell you कि हम 10वां एडिशन उसका हम करेंगे सितंबर में। So there we launch, like अभी आया भी था कि कोई बुक किसी ने लिखी है, so you are welcome also, because in the month of September we are organizing 3 days festival, so we launch books also in दैट फेस्टिवल। तो ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं कि जहाँ पे हम कहीं जुड़ सकते हैं, कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं। और अल्टीमेटली तो जो सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो अब आकर के सोशल मीडिया पे रुक गई हैं आकर के, क्योंकि व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी एज अ टेलीविजन प्रोग्रामर तो बात कुछ और थी। अब धीरे धीरे करके जो श्रिंक हुआ और कैसे जाकर के डिजिटल और डिजिटल से सीधा मोबाइल के ऊपर आ गए, तो अभी तो मीडिया कन्वर्जेंस का ज़माना है पूरा, सारी चीज़ें एक समय पे आ गई हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सोशल मीडिया इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दीज डेज। आप चाहे जैसे भी उसको करें, और दैट टू उसके ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा रील्स जो हैं वो आजकल बहुत चीज़ें कर रही हैं। तो मुझे बड़ा लगता है कि जो भी बिजनेस है या जिस भी तरीके से है, तो अगर आप लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करते हैं, जागरूक करते हैं, उनको बताते हैं अपने बिजनेस के बारे में, तो वो बहुत अच्छा है। तो अगर वहाँ पे कहीं कोई सपोर्ट हो तो आई एम द राइट पर्सन, तो हम कर सकते हैं। बिकॉज मेरा भी शौक है, तो भारती.सुशील के नाम से मेरा भी इंस्टाग्राम जो अकाउंट है, अभी वो सोया पड़ा हुआ था, बट वन डे आई गॉट एन आइडिया कि ठीक है यार, मैं भी कुछ अभी तक जो मुझे ज्ञान मिला है इतने सालों से, तो मैं भी कुछ सुना दूँ, बहुत सारे लोग सुना रहे हैं। सो आई वॉज सरप्राइज कि एक जो रील जो थी वो वायरल हो गई और वो 2.1 मिलियन चली गई। सो आई माई सेल्फ वॉज सरप्राइज कि आखिर ये मतलब है क्या इसका, जो सोशल मीडिया का। बट आई रियलाइज द पावर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया कि ठीक है, मैं डायरेक्टर ब्रॉडकास्टिंग हूँ मार्वल स्टूडियो में, ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिलता हूँ, ये करता हूँ, बट द मोमेंट यू बिकम अ पब्लिक figure or something like that, people started recognizing you, then you started getting calls also, अच्छा जी आप मेरे पॉडकास्ट में आइए, आप वहाँ आइए, यहाँ आइए, then तब आपको लगता है कि थोड़ा सा कि अच्छा यार कुछ हो रहा है। so that is वो थोड़ा फन भी है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि वो होना चाहिए। तो बाकी नेहा जी ने बताई दिया, तो 25-26 साल मुझे मीडिया के अंदर हो गए। बाकी रेडियो, टेलीविजन और सिनेमा में हमारे यंग एक्टर हैं, तो ये सब चीज़ें चलती रहती हैं। तो कहीं पे भी कुछ अवार्ड शो भी हम लगातार करते रहते हैं, जो लोग जानते हैं।
मायवा स्टूडियोज की एक्टिविटीज चल रही है।
यस, सो मैं उस सब में पार्ट हूँ, क्योंकि वो हमारा एक चेंबर है, इंटरनेशनल चेंबर ऑफ मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री। सो वट एवर इट इज़ हैपनिंग इन दैट चेंबर, तो वो सारा जो है मैं डील करता हूँ उसमें। तो यहाँ पे जैसे आई डोंट नो कि नेहा जी आपको हमारा वो अवार्ड मिला है या नहीं मिला है, जो डॉक्टर सरवंती नायडू इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड फॉर वर्किंग वुमेन।
मैं 3 बार स्किप कर चुकी हूँ।
3 बार स्किप कर चुकी है। तो दिस टाइम तो मैं यहाँ पे जो आज बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, बड़े खूबसूरत लोग हैं, दैया जी हैं, लॉयर हैं, तो ये सितंबर में होगा लाइनअप। तो हम जरूर, क्योंकि हम पूरे देश से 100 वुमेन को लेते हैं।
बट सुशील जी, मेरा यहाँ पे मैं टोकूंगी आपको, हम ये इतना सारा वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट क्यों करते हैं? मतलब बेचारे आदमी women empowerment and everything, I guess that has taken overhype. So what about males?
नहीं, मेल्स के लिए भी हैं अभी।
तो वो बताओ आप।
अभी हमने जैसे जो स्कूल्स हैं, तो स्कूल्स के जो ओनर हैं, जो कि एजुकेशन फील्ड में है, तो हमारा एक और अवार्ड है
जर्नल अवार्ड फॉर मेल फ्रॉम वेरियस कैटेगरीज।
जर्नल तो ऐसा नहीं क्या कहा जा सकता है, जैसे आर्ट एंड कल्चर में है, अटल बिहारी अवार्ड है हमारा। लिटरेचर में जो हम करते हैं, तो उसमें सूरज प्रकाश मारवा साहित्य रत्न अवार्ड है, वो भी मोस्टली मेल को जाता है। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी अवार्ड भी है। तो ऐसा नहीं है, बट चूँकि महिलाएं, ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी पॉलिसी में भी है कि 50% महिलाएं होनी चाहिए हमारे वर्किंग प्लेस में, तो हम सपोर्ट करते हैं उस पॉज को। तो शायद इस वजह से भी ये है कि मतलब ऐसा होना चाहिए। वी हैव स्पेसिफिकली, तो हमारा एक फोरम भी है, इंटरनेशनल वुमेन फिल्म फोरम, उसमें वर्ल्ड वाइड वुमेन भी जुड़ी है। तो कुछ इस तरह की पॉलिसी के साथ में हमें जाना होता है। अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी महिलाएं सब काम कर रही हैं, तो मुझे लगता है कि अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। अच्छा
women empowerment and being a feminist.
Exactly.
Feminism, I don't agree with, because if we are talking about feminism, then somewhere we are saying we are inferior than men.
Right.
But if we are talking about empowerment, we are not actually looking at women like maybe me or you. We are talking about women in the villages. We are talking about women in the small towns. We are talking about those women who are actually in a problem where male domination is there. In our houses, there is no male domination, there is female domination, to be very honest. You know?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
हम लोगों के घर में मतलब like we are heard.
I mean, we
And
are
we are
only
heard.
heard, you know.
Ma'am, it's also about those women, they don't get opportunity.
Yes, so there is a thin line. Feminism, I really don't agree with, you know. Feminism has become a status quo nowadays. Any woman who has a glass in her hand and a cigarette in her hand considers herself a feminist, which is wrong. You could be a feminist sitting at home and cooking a meal for your family also. You have to be, you know, you have to be free in your brain, not how you perceive yourself. If you are free here, then you could be either cooking or even marring jhadu pucha in a house or taking a, you know, lawsuit. You are free. But women empowerment is absolutely for those women who need help, who need support. So yeah.
एक छोटी सी चीज़ ऐड बता चाहता हूँ कि 2004 में WHO ने कहा हमें एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए. So I was shooting in Bangkok, you know, SARS उस समय में फैला था, तो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल था. So the film was on best practices, you know, how to use the best practices. उसके ऊपर मैं कर रहा था, तो जो उसका रिसेप्शन एरिया था, तो वहाँ पे एक ट्रैक शॉट लगाया हुआ था, तो हम उसको शूट कर रहे थे. तो वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कि एक महिला जो है वो शॉर्ट्स पहन के आई और वो उसने अपना स्कूटर लगाया. उसके हस्बैंड जो था बीमार था, तो वो दिस आई एम टॉकिंग 2004 लॉन्ग बैक. तो उसने उसको उठाया, स्ट्रेचर पे खुद ही डाला और लेकर के हॉस्पिटल के अंदर वो चली जाती है. तो थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं रुक गया, मैंने देखा ये सीन, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू एज अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म आई यूज्ड टू रोम अराउंड, यू नो, पूरा कंट्री इधर उधर में जाता था, मैं देखता था. तो मुझे लगा कि इतना कॉन्फिडेंस जो है ये अगर हमारी भारतीय नारियों के अंदर आ गया होता, तो पॉइंट ये है कि जो 50% पोटेंशियल जो है महिलाओं का, वो हमने इस्तेमाल ही नहीं किया. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि वो इस्तेमाल होने का समय है. जो उनका टैलेंट था, बेसिक टैलेंट जो था. कुछ फॉर्चुनेट लोग हैं, हम लोग शायद सब आते हैं उस फॉर्चुनेट कैटेगरी में, तो वहाँ तक तो ठीक है. बट अभी भी बहुत सारा कंट्री जो कि मैंने ट्रैवल किया है, तो वहाँ पे है अभी भी बहुत जरूरत.
Like I was born in Manipur, so women empowerment is more than anywhere part of the country, I guess. So seeing that कि वो starting से woman is the house decision maker always.
ये पहले से ही है मैम.
मणिपुर में तो काफी ज्यादा था. Like
हमारे पुराणों में भी like we don't say कृष्ण राधा, we say राधा कृष्ण. So ये शुरू से चलता आ रहा है. I don't know ये thin line कब इतनी broader line बन गई.
that was especially when the Mughals came and then it was empowered by the Britishers. So it's an entire line.
हम इंडिया इज अ मदरलैंड और जो जर्मनी जो है इट्स अ फादरलैंड. तो आप ऐसे ही समझ लीजिए, मात्र सत्तात्मक देश के लोग हैं.
Good note. Okay, so with this, we master crypto strategist and by designation works as vice president operations with Bit Delta. Wouldn't be less to call him a modern financial expert. Over to you.
Tarneet Singh, as Neha ji said, I am a master crypto strategist. I am in the crypto field for last 8 years. So I'm also heading an international exchange called Bit Delta as the vice president for the South Asia region. So we help people invest, trade in the crypto market. We also help industries, you know, adopt blockchain and blockchain-based solution, especially in real world assets, metaverse, NFTs. So I was listening to you also. You're coming with an app, so why not we can monetize that app based on tokenization. So I was talking to Parag also on that stuff. So I told him there are new concepts coming कि आपको टीवी देखने के भी पैसे मिलते हैं, गेम खेलने के भी पैसे मिलते हैं, चलने के भी पैसे मिलते हैं. So nowadays we are paying to Netflix to, you know, see the TV. अभी आपको सब रिवर्स हो रहा है क्योंकि Web3 आ चुका है and everything is like it's me and you. The middleman has been removed from the world. So blockchain as an adaptation, solving real life world problems will create a win-win situation for everybody. And crypto is taking over. So हम देख रहे हैं कि demonetize एक बार तो हो चुका है, अब अगला 500 का नोट भी दूर नहीं है, जाने वाला है. And the way we are adopting Google Pay, Paytm and the banks are pushing us कि हम e-rupee को adopt करें. तो आपके पास पैसा होगा, लेकिन आपके पास पैसा फिर भी नहीं होगा, आप सिर्फ एक नंबर देख रहे हो. तो जस्ट एक कंसेप्ट बताता हूँ. अभी कोविड के पहले सोशल जेलिंग का कंसेप्ट चाइना में शुरू हो चुका है. They use the face as a AI. आप रेड लाइट टाप रहे हो, आपने सरकार के खिलाफ कुछ बोला, आपका बैंक अकाउंट फ्रीज हो जाएगा, आप कुछ ले नहीं पाओगे, कुछ खा नहीं पाओगे. So हमारे भी यहाँ पे कैमरे फिट हो चुके हैं. Everybody is AI monitored. So going forward, so we are going into a world of digital slavery. So adaptation of blockchain and Web3 is important to have a independent line of defense. So this is about
नहीं होगा प्लीज.
Bitcoin, sir. उसका कोई माइक्रोन नहीं. That is independent. And Datify was created in 2008. It was a financial crisis. And it is a decentralized.
So now we have. I'm sorry, Taneet, you were saying something?
No, discussing.
Okay. So now we have with us is Mr. Sarvesh Chauhan. Mr. Chauhan is the founder, director, and board member of multiple organizations in electronic domain and business consulting in India and abroad. He performs all by his company. You have to name your company.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you.
First of all, very good evening to everybody. So my background is I'm in pursued engineering in a very different domain, aerospace engineering. Worked as a scientist for a few years in Bangalore in the government organization called National Aerospace Laboratories. Designed auxiliary engines for aircrafts. The time period was short, but the projects I have handled was almost like to the tune of 10 years, which I concluded in 1 or 2 years. For 3 years I was there as a scientist. Got my interest developed in business assessment and business analysis, pursued management, worked with a few MNCs globally, worked with government ministries in policy advocacy, formulation of policies in textiles, in food processing, in electronics. Then, one fine day, getting into a management is, everybody thinks one should have their own business established. But during the age of getting into a service domain, that passion gets lost. One fine day I have to move and pursue my passion. Established my business advisory company by the name Edgewise Global, wherein business advisory we do for multiple industries, whether it is food processing, electronics, or chemical, steel, textiles, or whatever we call. It's completely structuring a business, helping them establish or expand their existing business in the country or globally elsewhere. So in that course, we have helped a number of overseas companies globally in establishing their base in India. Further going ahead, expanded the company under the PMC domain, so project management and consulting, wherein we also have complete architectural design, engineering, project supervision, site monitoring, construction monitoring, and so that's a complete bouquet of establishing a company or a factory in India, right from concept to commercial production in a system. We work very closely with Ministry of Food Processing, Ministry of Electronics, Ministry of Textiles, and most of the state governments very closely. So many of the overseas investments from Taiwan, Korea, China, US, Germany, Sweden, we have been able to mobilize in the country. So that is just a small support in building the nation, getting new startups on the floor, guiding them, hand-holding them, how to take their business, strategize their business, collaborate with overseas companies, and move forward. So that is what I have been doing. Further going ahead, have collaborated with a German company which is into smart lighting and networking solutions. The name is Microsense Germany. So I have the complete establishment in India under my aegis by the name Microsense Global, wherein presently if you see all the lightings here, these are smart lightings, but they run on AC network. We operate on DC, which enables firstly the security, so no short circuiting would be there, leading to zero fire hazard. A lot of power saving is there, and that is a low voltage. You touch by hand, you repair it, you'll not get any shock or something. So maintenance free. I'll be cutting short on that. So it's an infrastructure product. So that's lighting and networking. Networking is completely on the Wi-Fi, your fiber to office network systems. Further, I have one more venture which is with a Swedish company. Very soon we'll be launching the company in India by the name Dahal Mobiles. The entire structuring has been done. We are coming up with very innovative mobile phones and hearables and wearables, state-of-the-art technology which is not existing globally with any of the company. The brain behind the company is the design innovator of iPhone, and so a lot of radiation impacts are there with present technology. With 5G it has increased. Going ahead with 6G, 7G, it will be more severe. We will be minimizing it to the minimum level, as well as in broadcasting and shooting domain where we need to make photography. Our phone would be the single booklet. You handhold a phone, you can have whatever sort of picture you need to make or photograph you need to click. So it will have the complete VR technology. And so slowly and within a few months, the launch of the company would be there in India, and the product we are looking forward to launch by Diwali. Have a couple of other setups, but yes, it's completely hand-holding a company to establish in India, strategize their business structure, collaborate with foreign entities, technology transfer, and so that is what I love. So technology is kind of what I live every day, which fascinates me, and that's anything and everything. Metaverse, I've been studying quite a lot in detail, and I would love to bring Metaverse in India. So we are already talking with a few companies in Korea, and maybe we can discuss.
Like Metaverse, just to add on, people want to live the Metaverse in future. So I always suggest use Metaverse to go to the past and live the history, live the Ramayana in Metaverse. Live the Sikh history in Metaverse, live the Mahabharata in Metaverse, go to the Mahabharata in the Metaverse and play the roles which they play. So use Metaverse backwards, not frontwards.
So that was all about me. Thank you so much for it.
Thank you. Mr. Raminder Bakshi. Mr. Bakshi is an F&B expert. His venture is a reflection of Raminder's skills in F&B arts and his understanding of the industry. Varied needs, further his impact stretches beyond traditional hospitality. तो ये traditional hospitality क्या है?
See, I'll start with introducing myself. Good evening, everyone. I am Raminder Bakshi, and I have a chef background. So for 12 years, I was chef in US and Europe, and then I came back to India and started the company by the name of Art Culinia and the Baking Lab. So now ours is one of the biggest hospitality consulting firm in India. So we only do anything and everything related to hospitality, whether it is spas. We are making a lot of spas now. Like we've done a lot of spas, hotels, restaurants, building chains like Chayos from scratch. Now it's known as Starbucks of India now. Chai. So built from scratch, we build the strategies, how to grow, and getting the Indian brands, taking them to abroad, like especially in Canada, because they love Indian food and all those things, and getting the foreign brands to India and scaling them. So the way basically Service does in technology, so we does it F&B. We do in F&B, basically conceptualizing from scratch and scaling it up to all over India. First in Delhi NCR, and then scaling up to all over India. So I've been very active on PTC with few shows over there, and telephone, basically on radio channels also about food. I know nothing else except for hospitality. So that's my goal. So when we talk about traditional hospitality was of a Lala mentality. To be ek khol ke galle pe baith gaye. So still it is there, and they're doing multiple. Like for example, there is everybody must have gone there. LMV, Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar, Jaipur. ठीक है, उनकी sale is more than 3 CR on a normal month minimum. So but they don't want to grow. So that is like One is their traditional, खाएंगे, family चलते आ रही है. I'll retire, my son will sit. So they don't want to grow. So when we talk about the traditional, that's the tradition. And that same traditional has been into like a modern way, which what route has been taken by Haldiram and Bikaner Walas. So like Haldiram has more valuation than McDonald's now. So they've done खाली वो जो होता है दाल सेवियां मुर्गी. I'm not talking about the retail stores. Retail जो मिठाई की बात है. They've done more than 25,000 crores of sale of last year for that particular ये दाल सेवियां जो 5 रुपए में मूंगफली खाते. That vertical. Not talking about the mithais also, and not talking about the कि जो आप जाके खाते हो. So only the retail. है जी?
हमारा टारगेट कम है.
कम. So that is what we do, and we get foreign investments also to India, and then angeling investing within India to grow. What happened with the biryani by kilo also. So whether it is chai also, we do all these things, everything. That's what we do.
So now by profession, a legal expert in corporate and business law. He is associate directors with Arnes Associate, based out in Gurgaon. Over to you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Abhishek. Recently shifted to Delhi 2 months back from Chennai. Earlier I was working with a law firm, business and legal consulting firm as a country head. Now joined Arnes Associates. It's a business and legal consulting firm as an associate director. My work expertise includes various activities like money recovery. We support your businesses, including money recovery, contract management, IPR management, supporting your daily compliances, and supporting you in your expansion of your businesses like Sarveshi, he does in tech, and Bakshi Savi does in F&B. We support with respect to your legal and related things, because that is also one of the important part of every business, because when there is no legal, you'll face the litigations. So we support in those matters, and yes, we have few clients from overseas, various countries like US, UK, some from Germany, from your Nordic countries like you have Sweden and Germany, and some European clients we are supporting here. Specifically, we are focusing nowadays in energy sectors, defense and aerospace. These are the major sectors nowadays. And various M&A, J&B. Even we are taking back few Indians who wanted to invest in overseas countries like GCC countries and Middle East. So there also we are supporting. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
25 people here. One is in Punjabi Bagh and another is in Gurgaon. I sit at Gurgaon Global Business Park. Thank you.
Thank you. End of one segment of it. So now, do you all want to go for chai and then come back, or do you guys are comfortable here? Do the next proceedings for 10 minutes and then we go off for chai. Great. So I'll end this chapter by greeting and thank you all in all present here. Thank you so much for having that faith in me and being here. Thank you so much for presenting your business. I don't know what kind of benefit we all would have, but I'm sure we would have some or the another, and I look forward for that.